Hey guys, welcome back. This time we're doing a video with the Civic. This is my SI. It's stock other than a short ram intake without a tune. It is the 3-inch K-tune intake. And you know, they say these intakes can increase horsepower back a little bit, but you know, it was always hard to tell. You know, you hear rumors of them sucking in hot air and then it's, you know, it's worse, keep the stock one back in. So I have the Draggy. We're gonna test and we're gonna find out, is the intake, does it really help? Or is it just a noisemaker? Let's find out. That the intake is actually hurting their performance, I'm really disappointed, because I would hate to go back to stock and, you know, not be able to enjoy the sound. And I guess my option at this point would be either keep the intake and then look into getting a tune. But this is my daily driver. I'm trying not to mod this car. I'm trying to just keep it original and I'm not like doing anything crazy, but just, you know, like I said, maybe an intake or something. See if it's gonna drag you ready to go. Traction control off. Control off. All right, now I'm gonna get rid of this, put my stock intake box back in and run another test. All right, stock intake is back in. Everything looks like it's good to go. Let's do some more testing. Sounds much quieter now. Much quieter. Alright guys, you saw it. I got a better 0-60 with the intake, but it got horribly worse when I put the stock one back on. I'm not sure if that, but before I make the claim to say the intake helped, I want to drive the car around for about a week with the stock intake in. Get the car time to learn the new, learn the new F ratios and stuff like that. So if it is anything like that, I'm gonna do another test, just make sure. So we'll follow back up in a week. So you saw the test, you see what the car is doing. It seems to be my quarter-mile time slightly improved, trap speed's the same. 0-60 time is maybe a tenth or two better. I've been consistently able to hit the very low sevens where I couldn't even touch the sevens with the stock intake. But my overall feel of the car, I feel like I have more low-end torque. I feel like there's just more daily usable power in the low RPM, and I feel like with the intake it's more at the top end. I had to really rip the car out, which is not a bad thing, but when the temperatures are like 90 something degrees, I really see it struggling. It feels like it's really struggling to suck that air in. I don't know what it is. It's just the car just seems really sluggish. And also, and this doesn't have to be doing temperatures, just being on a cold morning, any time of the day. I just noticed I need to downshift more often than I need to do, regularly.
What are you doing?
I'm recording the video.
So you were packing.
I am. I'm just recording this last video real quick. I'm recording right now.
What are you recording? Should I say lots of cuss words?
No. Just my final thoughts on the intake.
Is that okay? Well,
It's gonna take me like 2 seconds. I'm just wrapping it up. What I think I should do, I may go back to stock. Not because of the sound, here's real world scenarios, what it feels like. I don't have to downshift as much. When I'm on the highway and I need to pass a car, I can just give a little gas and go around the car. And to me, it's like, there's times when I'm lazy. I don't want to downshift. I just want to just give it some gas and go. And, those times where you do that and you give it the gas on with the intake, you just hear that, and you're trying to, get going, and because you're so below the power band, and that needs to at least drop. I say on my commute, I can stay at 6th gear the whole way there to, even passing cars. With the intake, there's at least once or twice I may need to drop down to 5th gear to go around a car, slow moving car, left lane hog. Again, occasionally a 4th gear, and it seems like I'm just screaming past him, and I'm not really, doing much. Where it's just one of those things. So I don't know, guys. You let me know your thoughts, what you think.
I really don't want to tune it. I really don't want to put the money into this car to tune it, because that means it's just gonna be more things down the road. I'm gonna upgrade the clutch. I'm gonna do this, and it's just, this is my daily, my fun daily, you know. So, but guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I also could not stand the look of my engine bay, so I did wash it since I replaced the intake, and I tried to mount it closer to the intake box as well. We'll see. But guys, thanks for watching.